Ever wondered how to send money across borders, and whether the popular app TapTap Send is the right tool for the job? Let's dive right in. TapTap Send enables swift international money transfers, but understanding its limitations guarantees you send money successfully. The first key takeaway is TapTap Send facilitates international transfers. This means you can send money from numerous countries all over the world. Simply download the app and create an account in minutes. Next, to set up your transfer, you'll begin by selecting the country you're sending money from. Ensure this matches your current location, as TapTap Send uses this detail to enable the transfer. Then, you will select the country you are sending from, often the country of origin. The app will present currency options for the receiver. After selecting the currency, you'll enter the receiving amount that you would like to send. This is important as the platform may show real-time exchange rates now. You probably knew this, but here's a crucial point. TapTap Send is not designed to send money to the USA. Yes, you heard that right. You can send from many countries, but not to the United States. This is paramount to your ability to make your transfers successful, so be sure that your receivers are based outside of the USA. Keep in mind the recipient's location. Double-check where your money needs to go before starting a transaction, and the app will do the rest. Remember, successful international money transfers start by choosing the right platform for your needs. So, while not directly to the USA, TapTap Send can be a great option for sending money worldwide.